Some Goya beans. Protein, that's what we call it. And a little bit of chicken. And Dean don't want lettuce on his. Go back, Lulu. Then we roll it up. Into a sandwich. Pretty much, I'm not going to fold it because we already know Little Dean. He's going to eat a little bit and then he's going to start using a fork. So, voila, that's pretty much what we're having for dinner. Beans, rice. What's that doing?
Why, what's wrong?
Because I don't want his TV channel.
Okay, so what about this one?
I might make another one. Why, he's ready for more?
No, he's not even done. He's eating a wrap right now. He's taking his time eating.
Hello, fam. It's your girl, Nettie Net. I'm back because I told y'all I was going to be eating a little more healthier. Now, I made my burrito finally. It's got a little bit of lettuce, some grilled chicken, some black beans, and a little tiny bit of rice.
And of course, you can see your boy, Chef Boy R. Dean, made it.
Where are you going? You keep thinking about chicken. Where are you going? Make you one?
Nah, it's all you.
I'm just asking because I was going to make one. If you want to make you one, go ahead.
I'm okay.
So guys, this is going to be a little hard here. I'm going to see how I'm going to do this. So,
You should have rolled it and stuck a toothpick in it.
like a taco. It's too big to roll anywhere.
Wow.
So, I know it's going to fall apart because it's full of munchy good stuff, y'all. Mmm.
Can we see what's in there?
Maybe a little too close, but wait. I can show them. See? A little bit of rice, beans, some grilled chicken, lettuce, and cheese. So, it's a healthy hoagie. That's what I'll call it. I just figured, why not try and eat a little different, you know? And black beans. They're a good source of protein. So, actually, I'm trying to think. So, I think I actually seen a vegetarian eating something like this, but they didn't have the chicken. Now, Lil Dean, he didn't want lettuce in his, so he just has a little bit of rice. Black beans and chicken, which I could do without the rice myself. Interesting, family. It is very healthy, but it's good. I could do with a change. I'm going front, Pam. Gotta get used to it though. It's not something you could just say, oh, whoa, it's great. But being that it's healthier, I can do that. My son is young. No one before us to live a healthier lifestyle, you know. So, starts at home. So, I can still have my mukbangs, but it just be a healthy one, right? Nothing wrong with that. I could still create awesome content, new ideas for those who might not think of it. At the same time, I could eat a little healthier while creating the content. Babe. So guys, I'm actually sitting here trying to think, could I eat another one? Not right now, I'm actually okay. Healthier food, not too many burps, I guess, huh? Stay trying to be hidden. Here, can you take this? Because I definitely ain't going to use this. I might use a little bit of that.
A little bit of what? Here.
Here,
Just get what you're going to get. You know what? You should have just put it all in this tray or dumped this rice.
I don't want no more rice right now. I just want some.
You won't eat this rice tomorrow?
I might. I don't know.
Okay.
I just don't want
All right.
no. I'm gonna try another one, guys. I'm just not gonna eat the rice this time. It's too filling.
You taking the cheese so I can take it back?
Yeah. Here, take it. You take it, because I'm taking, you take everything. Is there meat for you?
Got the cheese? Here you go. I don't need as much as his. It's very filling. So, fam, I'm gonna let y'all go. So I just wanted to show y'all a healthier way of having dinner with a little bit of cheese and black beans, which are good on protein, great protein. So, those that don't know what they look like, you can get them in like the Spanish section of the store. They're called Goya beans, or I mean, you can really find them in any vegetables aisle. But the Spanish Goya beans are usually the best ones. They're actually really good. So, give them a whirl. Don't sleep on your girl. Because I'll tell you a thing too. But at the end, it's up to you. Whatever you gonna do, boo. Jenna. So, just thought I'd give y'all a little healthy hint. Right.